lifestyle. So through no fault of his own, he finds himself back here at the shelter. Because he was living in a home, he is most likely housebroken. He knows his command. I do believe he also knows paw, 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 paw. Come on, Armani, paw. Okay, maybe he's just excited because I got the treat. The good stuff. But he is an absolute darling. So he's big, he's gentle, although he is excitable sometimes. And he could use a little leash training, if memory serves me right, from this the dance program. He does take his treats very nicely, so as big as he is, he can still be gentle. He's not aggressive with his food in any way. He is soft, he is solid, he's a happy boy. Glad to see you come visit, but he wants to get out. Good boy, Armani, good boy. So come see this adorable, big smooth space. I don't think he should be here long. He is moving ready for somebody who can handle a big guy like him. Good boy, Armani. Say bye-bye. Good boy.